Coming to the subgrade, the topsoil or subgrades is a layer of natural soil prepared to receive the stresses from the layers above. It is essential that no time soil subgrade is overstressed. It should be compacted to the desirable density near the optimum moisture content. Types of rigid pavement. First one, jointed plain cement concrete, jointed reinforced cement concrete pavement, continuous reinforced concrete pavement, pre-stressed concrete roads. The first one is jointed plain concrete pavements, here constructed with the closely spaced contraction joints. Dowel bars are aggregate interlocked are normally used for load transfer across joints. They normally has a joint spacing of 5 to 10 meters. Second one, jointed reinforced concrete pavement. Reinforcement do not improve the structural capacity significantly, but they can drastically increase the joint spacing to 10 meter to 30 meter. Dowel bars are required for load transfer. Reinforcement helps to keep the slab together even after cracks. Next one, continuous reinforced concrete pavement. Complete elimination of joints are achieved by reinforcement. In the picture, we can see the dowel bars and tie bars. So, this is the construction of rigid pavement. Here, we can see that undoweled transfer joints and united longitudinal and dowel bars. Here is the presence of dowel bars and tie bars. Here is the tie bars. So, in the tie bars, to connect the lateral direction, dowel bar means in the longitudinal direction. So, what the main intention is provide the dowel and tie bar here is to provide the distribute the load one slab to other slab in a longitudinal and transfer directions. Here is the top view of dowel and tie bars and longitudinal and transfer direction joints. Here, standard spacing up to 15 feet, 5 meter between the one slab to other slab. These are the dowel bars and these are the tie bars. Here we can see the tie bar. In a longitudinal direction, we can see the tie bars. In a transfer direction, we can provide the longitudinal bars. These are the longitudinal joints with the direction of travel. So, this is the cross section side view. Here we can see the dowel bars. These are the dowel bars. These are the transfer joints. And here this is the concrete slab, base course and subgrade. So, this is the completed concrete roads, rigid pavement. Here we can see the longitudinal joints and these are the transfer joints, rigid pavement. This is the rigid pavement or concrete pavement. So, this is the construction of flexible pavement. Here we can see the granular materials. So, and over that surface layers, this is the method of construction of flexible pavement. Thank you.